Alright, hey, welcome to the channel. My name's Eric, and this video I'm showing my daily activity of how I go by searching for stocks, and it's the free version of TradingView. And let's just get to it. I'm going to show you what indicators I use, how to find them, and then I'm going to show you how to use the stock screener here. That is the free version as well. So let's get to it. You can see I've got it already up here with the buy and sell indicators, but I'm going to show you how I actually get this. I'm going to click out of it real quick. And so we just simply go to indicators here, and I type in SMA 950 180 EMA buy sell. It's this one by this M. Phillips. I just simply click on it, and there we go. But I can have two indicators on the free version, so I'm going to put in a subchart, and that subchart is going to be MACD because that's my preference. You can put RSI, whatever subchart you want, but that's what I use. So I'll even make the MACD just a little bit smaller to make this a little bit bigger. So I think there's too many lines here, so I like to make it a little bit smaller. So to do that, you just go over the wording here, and to get on to settings, it's this octagon thing, and you just simply click on here, and as you can see, we've got all these colors. Inputs, you could switch them. So the red line is a smooth moving average, or SMA 9. The blue is a SMA 50. The white, if you want it to make it 200 instead, make it just an SMA 200. And the yellow is a EMA 20. So you could do that and change that style. I like to get rid of the EMA 50 just for my preference. It's too many lines. And also, even though I do use it, but not for this particularly, also get rid of the buy sell indicator, and then I'll just simply click OK, and I'm all set up with my chart. That's all I do. I got my chart set up. As you can see, I got the buy sell indicators. So how do I find ones that are kind of doing this? There's two ways I go about that. You can use the screener, which you'll have to go to another TradingView page here. And once you get here, you just hover over products, go to charts, and we're going to, or not super charts, screeners. And we just simply click on stock, and here we go. We got a nice list here. And this is the US market. And we got 8,000, but that's too many to go through, so we're going to click on this plus sign, which is add a new filter. And I'm just simply start out with market data, and I'm going to click on the top one, average volume, and I'm going to change that to 30 days and click add new filter. After I do that, nothing's going to happen because I haven't made any changes to this. I got to click on it again and click manual setup, and I'm going to do 1 million. For 1 million trades or stocks made over the 30-day. That's just my preference, and we're down to 2,000. I'm going to click on this again. I'll type in MACD, and I click on it, click it on the daily, and click add new filter. By the way, searching for screener stuff, you can only use daily, weekly, or monthly on the free version. So I click on this again, and level crosses up signals what I'm going to select. We're down to 124. Click on add another filter. I'm going to type in SMA, simple moving average, and I'm going to go all the way down to 200 and click add new filter. Of course, I got to click on it again, make some changes, and I'll do below price. And I'm just going to do one more. I'll click on here again, SMA. Click on here, but I'll do 9 for the 9-day, and click add. And click on it again. I'm going to do below price 0 to 10% on this one though. It didn't do too many. I'm going to try to make that less, so I'll click on here again and go to manual setup. And over here where it says 0 to 10%, I'm going to change that to 0 to 3%. And we are down to 17. Now what this will pretty much show me is the MACD crossing. You can go over to analyst rating, click on the strong buy. It says Google is the strong buy. It's right now, it's June 6th. We're moving into the weekend. And there we go. I've got a buy. So it does work out sometimes. There's a nice buy signal there. If we wanted to go back, we can click out of here. And, you know, just find the strong buys first. Here's another one that says strong buy SSNC. And let's see how that opens up. Are we going to get another buy? We do get another buy. SSNC. So you can see, actually, I'm going to write that one down for my TikTok videos or my shorts here, YouTube shorts. I did not see that one, but you don't want to hear about that. So there's another way you can, so you're in your charts here. I told you there's another way. You can just move this over here. I'm going to move this screen, click on this thing here if I can. Here we go. As I get rid of my chart, we'll come to here. You don't have to get that crazy, but here we go. And then if you come over here, there's this little circle thing. It says screeners. I can type on it and I get the screeners. As you can see, there's this list here. And so just come over here and you can go to market cap and you can check your market cap. So we'll go right over here on 200. And then you do have to click on it again. So it's tedious. So, and then you'll click on it and then you'll just click your arrow on your keyboard and it'll just go through your stocks. And up there's a buy. There's Google. Google popped up. We already found that. There's a sell. And so you just simply quickly go through them. As you can see, it's not too bad. And this is how I find, if you don't find any on the first one, because like I said, this is kind of tedious. These are the big stocks. These are the big guys. If you don't find that, oh, another buy. Is that Google? Yeah, it's Google again. So I've already ran it. So you could go through on market cap and just click on the next one, the large caps. Click on this one and go through just quickly. And that's what I do to try to find. There's one. Black. We got Blackstone. Okay. And then, oh, there's another one. Caterpillar. Good company. And then we got another one, S&P Global. And so there we go. That's how I do it. That's how I find stocks. Remember, this is not financial advice, not just for educational purposes. But if you found any of this information useful, do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe button. Otherwise, I hope you have a great day, and I will see you on the next video.